All right, so I wanted to make a short video about how to make these S-hooks that I made right here for probably about 40 cents each to hang your AR500 steel from when you're shooting. We're gonna make this as short and sweet as possible. So I've got my vise here. I clamp it in about as high as possible. Grab my pipe, bend it. Take it out, twist it a bit, put it back in. Bend it. And you just repeat it until you go all the way back around. Until it touches the other end. Got one hook done like that. Take it around, flip it backwards, and there, and then bend it the other way. It's as simple as that. Now, come in a little bit closer here. If you can look, get over right there and look this way. You can see I'm going the opposite way now with my bends. And I have this, let me tighten that down a little bit better. I have this right up against the vise. And this only takes about, I don't know, how long has it been? A couple minutes to do this? Oops.
Yes.
And these will cost, I cut them into 1 foot sections. There you go, you got your S-hook right there. Now you can go a little bit further with it if you want to, but that's going to be enough to hang your AR500 steel targets. And these end up costing about 40-50 cents each instead of the $6 to $10 that you would pay for regular S-hooks to hang the AR500 steel. And then I'm going to hang them off these EMT conduit right here. Thanks for watching.